Okay. Ngayon naman guys, bibigyan ko kayong idea kung paano magluto ng pechay gulay. Sardinas lang muna. So wala tayo sa karne. As in, so wala ng karne muna. So, wala natin lagay guys is harap ka ng bawang. Bawang muna tayo. Dalawa sila. Malit na sibuyas. Ayan. Kain mo lang ngayon. Tapos, ayan. Buksan mo siya. Ayan. Ayan.
How is it being in the US with the new rules of your President Trump saying that you cannot be married if you're an American citizen and you're American by nature, but by naturalization you cannot marry another nationality because you are going to give up your US citizenship. How about those who are not Americans like you, or Filipino, who are in the US? What does Trump to say about it?
Simple lang yan.
Tuturuan
Luto na.
Or is there any changes?
Just 10-15 minutes. So, meron na yan. Asin.
Pilipinas. They've been to Dubai also. The United Arab Emirates. And of course, the government over there is very supportive of the Filipinos. There are a lot of
wala na ako din. Preheat lang natin siya. Preheat natin yung kawali. Ayan. Okay. So, next natin is pork.
There is sorry po. Dalawa lang din. Dalawa lang
Ready ko na.
I only got two also.
Hindi na siya.
Hindi ka salarin mo. Tagal-tagal mo kasi.
Tapos, sanang kaya na siya. Mekos. Tapos pa siyang i-mekos. Hindi ko to. So, preheat na natin siya kanina. Ang bang.